Evaluation of digital switching system. The early version of electronic switching system is stored program control SPC. The SPC system have temporary memory for storing transient call information and carry programming information. The SPC performs line control, trunk control, maintenance control, etc. The instructions required for performing these operations are raised in a single processor. For reliability of high availability, the processor may be duplicated. Thus, SPC uses centralized software and hardware architecture. A modern digital switching system employs a number of processors, not uses distributed software and hardware architecture. The digital switching system, also referred as electronic switching system, generation is purely electronic in operation. The switching process is by time division, digital transmission. The type of control is stored program, common control, and network uses pulse code modulation. Time division switching. The time division switching involves the sharing of cross points for shorter period of time. This way of reassign of cross points and its associated circuits for other needed connection. Therefore, in time division switching, greater savings in cross points can be achieved. Hence, by using dynamic control mechanism, a switching element can be assigned to many inlet outlet pairs for few microseconds. This is principle of time division switching. Time division switching uses time division multiplexing to achieve switching. Two popular methods that are used in time division multiplexing are time slot interchange and TDM bus. In order in ordinary time division multiplexing, the data reaches the output in the same order as they sent, but TSI changes the slots based on desired connection. The demultiplexer separates the slots and passes them to proper outputs. The TDM uses a control unit. The control unit opens and closes the gates according to the switching need. The principle of time division switching can be equally applied to analog and digital signals. For interfacing sampled analog signals but not digitalized, the analog time division switches are attractive. Analog time division switching. Figure shows analog time division switching structure. The speech is carried as PAM analog samples or PCM digital samples. When PAM samples are switched in time division manner, the switching is known as analog time division switching. If PCM binary samples are switched, then the switching is known as digital time division switching. A single switching bus supports a multiple number of connections by interleaving PAM samples from receive line interfaces to transmit line interfaces. There are two cycle control stores. The first control store controls getting of inputs onto the bus one samples a time. The second control store operates with the first and select appropriate output line for each input sample. Two-dimensional digital switching. Combination of the time and space switches leads to a configuration that achieves both time slot interchange and sample switching across trunks. This structure also permits large number of simultaneous connection to support for a given technology. Large digital switches require switching operations in both space dimension and time dimension. There are a large variety of network configuration that can be used to accomplish these requirements. The incoming and outgoing PCM highways are especially separated, so the connection of one line of local exchange requires space switching to connect the line of outgoing highways. Thus, the switching network must be able to receive PCM samples from one time slot in different time slot. This is known as time slot interchange. The space switching and time switching may be accomplished in many ways. A two-stage combination switch may be organized with time switch first stage and the space switch is second stage and or vice versa. The resulting configuration are referred as time space time switches respectively. Three-stage time are space combination of TST and STS configuration. Very large division switches includes many combination of time and space switches. Typically configurations are TSST, TSST and TSTSTSTST. These switches support 40,000 lines or more economically. Block diagram are shown in figure. So this is a structure of TSST switching. Inlet and outlets are time slot interchange. Space stage is sandwiched in time slot interchange. There are three stages of space stage in the figure. Thank you.